Before we go into our practicals, let's go through some examples of where you might want to use topic modelling depending on the kind of data that you've got and the work that you're doing. One really great way of using topic modelling is grouping things together, such as news articles or research papers, under different topic headings. If you've been on a news website, you'll often see that articles are grouped together under topics of what those articles are about. These topics can either be created manually by editors and curators, or we could implement topic modelling to identify themes in the text and group them together under those topics, thus speeding up the process and meaning a lot less manual work. Another example is where you have customer feedback or reviews data coming in. Most companies just don't have time to manually go through all of these reviews and this feedback and see what their consumers are saying. This is where topic modelling can jump in and save you so much time and energy, going through all these reviews and pulling out key themes about what customers are saying. Topic modelling can also be used for social listening, where we monitor social media data around our brand or our product or our company and be able to quickly pull out key topics that people are talking about in relation to our brand. These are just a few examples of topic modelling, but there's absolutely loads of applications you could put this in, and hopefully this lesson has given you some ideas of where you can implement this in your work.